Prompt formatting refers to the way in which the prompt is structured and presented to a language model. This includes elements such as the ordering of instructions, the use of specific keywords or phrases, and the use of formatting options like bold or italics. For example, suppose you are using a language model to generate restaurant reviews. You might design a prompt that follows a specific format such as write a review for a restaurant, whatever the restaurant name is. Start with a brief summary of the dining experience and then describe the dishes ordered and end with an overall rating out of 5 stars. This format provides clear and specific instructions for the language model to follow, allowing it to generate more accurate and relevant reviews. Another example could be in a language model that generates short stories. You might design a prompt that uses specific keywords or phrases to guide the model towards generating a specific type of story, such as write a story about a detective who solves a murder case. Use the following keywords: clue, alibi, suspect. This prompt format provides clear and specific instructions to the language model, helping it to generate a more focused or cohesive story. In general, prompt formatting plays an important role in guiding the language model towards generating the desired output. By structuring the prompt in a clearer and specific way, language models can better understand the task at hand and generate more accurate and relevant text in a wide range of natural language processing.